In today's video, we're going to talk about Clickbank, and we're going to show you how you can easily make a few $100s every single day by using Clickbank in the most efficient way. Okay, let's just crack on and get started. Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com. And before we head over to Clickbank and show you all about it, just make sure that you obviously subscribe to our channel right here and also hit the notification button so that you will get notified every time that we make another video. Okay, so that's it. Let's head over to the laptop and we'll walk you through how to make money with Clickbank.
Yeah, okay, so the first thing we need to do is obviously go and create our account. Okay, so we've come to our clickbank.com website and you can see the button here, click to create your account. So let's click on there and it comes up with obviously the details you need to obviously create your account. And remember, obviously Clickbank is 100% free to join, so it's not going to cost you anything to join this affiliate network. Need to select your country. Now there is 2 or 3 countries that it doesn't cover: Nigeria, Bangladesh, and I think there's one other that they don't cover. So unfortunately, guys, if you're from that country, then obviously you won't be able to use Clickbank. But there are many others that you can use instead. Then we need obviously our first name, last name, telephone number, email address, and a password. And then once you've done all of that, obviously just click the terms and conditions and then hit continue, which then creates your account. Okay, so obviously I've already just set this up on a new account anyway. Okay, once you've actually signed in, you will be taken first to your dashboard. This gives you a breakdown of what you've actually sold in the last 30 days and also in the last few weeks. Okay, so it tells you your current week and other weeks ending. Now this is obviously as a brand new account, so obviously I've got absolutely 0 in here, and hopefully obviously when you come in, then every time you come in you'll have more sales that will register here. Okay, so from here we now need to go to Marketplace, which is at the top here. And as you can see, once we're into Marketplace, this gives you 2 different areas of where you can go and find products. The first one is at the top here in the search bar, and the second is categories down the side. So we're going to look at the search bar here in a second, but before we do that, let's just run through a few of these categories of what you can actually get. And as you can see, there's loads of different categories here, ranging from arts and entertainment to e-business to health and fitness to parenting to self-help, everything. Now, if you actually click on the arrow by the side of each one, then that drops down. And as you can see, the e-business is even split into different subcategories here. We've got blog marketing, banners, affiliate marketing, email marketing, etc. So if you wanted to niche down and find a product to promote specifically for that niche, then obviously this is how you can do it. Alternatively, you can, if you know what product you want, and you know the name of it, etc., you can then just search it in the search bar here. But we're just going to actually click on the search icon here without filling anything in. It will just bring up the most popular products of the time. So here we go. This is what brings up, and obviously we've got loads of different sales here. Okay, all different products. And it gives you loads of different information, which we'll run through in a second. As you can see, there's a total of 308 pages full of them. Okay, so let's just scroll back up. And what we'll do, we'll choose this one here, the Cinderella solution. This is actually to do with weight loss. So what the sort of things you want to look out for is you want to make sure that you've actually got, or the company product has got, an affiliate page. Now with the affiliate page, you will get loads of different resources to help you actually promote it. You'll probably get banners, you might get videos, you'll get email swipes, possibly social media banners, all that sort of thing. It will depend on product to product, but certainly that is certainly something to look out for when you're promoting something, that it's got an affiliate page, because this certainly will help you when you're promoting. So another things you can look out for is obviously the average sale here. So that's the average sale that people are making, so $38 a sale, just over. So that's not too bad. And you've obviously got some stats down here, which again tells you the initial sale, which is 35. So in other words, most people will probably rebill, because if it's 38 the average and the initial sale is only 35, then there must be coming some more sales somewhere. And as you go along, the average rebuild is $13. So there you go. So you're actually not only going to make the 35 initially, you could possibly carry on making another $13 every probably month. Normally these things are monthly. Okay, so that's another thing to possibly look at. If you've got something that you could do the work once and it actually then starts rebilling the client every month, then you're going to hopefully make a profit every month from that. Another thing to look out for is the gravity. So the GRAV here, gravity, this one's currently at 336.21. And what the gravity is, you want to make sure this is really over sort of 20, 25. Anything less than that, you basically probably wouldn't really look at. And what this basically is, this is the amount of people that have made sales recently with this product. So 336 people have actually made a sale with this product. So it's very, very popular, and you know that it's converting well. And that doesn't mean to say they've only made one sale, they may have made 1,000 sales. Okay, so this doesn't say that, it doesn't mean that it's 336 sales, it means that it's 336 people, actually affiliates, that have actually made sales with that. So again, look at that to be as an average of really over 20, 25 to make it worthwhile. Now, if you're looking for a product and you don't really know what you want to look for, so you've actually got to do a search, you can actually use these filters down the left-hand side here. So if you're looking for something that you're looking for a gravity, like we said, of plus 20, and you're also looking for something to that you want to earn more money at, then you can obviously put that amount in there and the rebill, etc. And then obviously you then can search by filling in those different things. Okay, so the last thing we're going to go through is obviously how to promote it. So you've obviously got your affiliate page where you can actually go and get all your banners and things like that, which is great. So the next thing you need to do is if you've decided on which product you want, is then just click on the promote button. Okay, this will open in a new window and you'll have your nickname here. Obviously, I've just deleted mine because obviously I don't want that to be seen on the video, but that'll have your nickname here. So you just have whatever name you've given it, that'll have your nickname. And then you have a tracking that's optional here. So basically, if you were going to do, I've got a few different ones in there that I've put in, Pinterest, Facebook, and Meerkat traffic. So you could then say you wanted to promote on Pinterest, you could just write Pinterest there, and you would then know where the clicks were coming from. So if you were doing stuff to Pinterest and to Facebook and to Twitter, it would then show you where your clicks were coming from, so you could concentrate more on promoting in that area. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can literally just click create hop links, and then that gives you your link. As you can see here, that's an encrypted link, and when you get that link, as you can see, it's really, really long. It's obviously got your ID and then your Pinterest, which is your tracking, which is optional. You don't have to track if you don't want to. So you've got that there. And then what I would suggest is to make that link easier is to hop over to a site such as Bitly in here. And as you can see, I've got a few that I've got links on here. So basically you want to go to create at the top here and then hit the create button, and then you can then paste in there. It automatically created your link. So there you go. So we've gone from that big long link down to this short link here. Okay, so that's all it is. That's good. So we could add a title, so I could just put product, so Cinderella, and then you could just save that then, and then that will come up here, and as you can see it shows you the, get rid of that a second, there we go. That then shows you that I've just created that. We've got the link there, and obviously you've got the big long link there as well. And then when you come back to here, this will show you also how many clicks you've had on the link as well, because Bitly will do that as well. Okay, so that's the run through of the Clickbank and how you can then promote better products and make sure that you've obviously got all the affiliate stuff you need, and that you can go and promote that with ease, and you're promoting something that you know is going to convert, high converting, and you should make obviously some nice commissions there. Okay, so that's it for today's video. By all means, if you have any questions or any queries, then obviously leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Okay, that's it. We'll see you on the next video. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow. It's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.